My name is Dr. Kalkidan Bishu. I'm a cardiologist here at Essentia Health St. Mary's Heart and Vascular Center in Duluth, Minnesota. I specialize in the percutaneous interventions in the coronary arteries and valves. I've always wanted to be a physician since I was in elementary school. I think it has to do with how my mother used to talk to me about how she wanted to be a doctor and wanted to make sure that I could try everything to become a physician myself. And I have had no regrets. I think being a physician is a calling. It takes a lot of commitment and sacrifice, and in my opinion, it's the most rewarding profession for me. Very passionate about how the heart and the circulation system in human beings work. When I was in medical school, one of the first few patients that I had contact with was a young patient with valve disease, which kind of piqued an interest in me. At that point, I've always wanted to understand how the heart works, how the valves work. I learned a lot from them. I learned to see what difference we can make in their lives, and a lot of the patients that I take care of are now my friends. One of the greatest pleasures for me in taking care of patients is to see a patient quit smoking. Going outdoors, biking and hiking, and a new habit we've picked up since we moved to Duluth, Minnesota is going out on the lake. So, any free time that we get, we're trying to make it to one lake every free weekend that we have, and we're just exploring the region, learning so much about the area, and it's just spending time outdoors. We just cannot have enough, my family and I.